This is a statement on the coronavirus preparedness and response interventions in Garissa County. Following the Executive Order number 2 of 2020 and the declaration of COVID-19 outbreak in the country by the Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Health, the county government of Garissa has put a host of measures and interventions in place towards preparedness and response in the event of an actual breakout or outbreak. This is in realization of its mandate of keeping the residents of the county healthy and safe. Some of the measures so far in place or put in place are as follows. A multi-sectoral county emergency response committee on coronavirus has been constituted to coordinate all preparedness and response activities. The committee is co-chaired by His Excellency the Governor and the County Commissioner. The training of rapid response team. The rapid response team are equipped and on standby on the basis of 24/7 to respond to any alert from any corner of the county. A command center complete with hotlines has been established, and the numbers are 011 120 7207, 011 004 0836, 0110 040 708. These hotline numbers have been widely circulated, and should there be any call-in of a suspect case, then the rapid response team will quickly mobilize, respond, and verify the authenticity of the alert. Training of staff in case management and infection prevention and control. An isolation facility has been identified at the Garissa County Referral Hospital to receive any identified case. Consultation with relevant stakeholders, the ulama, the CIPK, and SUPKEM. These consultations have borne fruits and culminated in the closure of the madrasas and duksis. A robust advocacy, communication, social mobilization is ongoing and being conducted by the health promotion officers at all health facilities in the country. A stockpile of coronavirus emergency supplies, mainly PPEs, have been received and already prepositioned at strategic locations. Cognizant of the fact that Garissa is one of the counties mapped as high risk, we are working with the National Minister of Health to ensure optimal availability of all the essential supplies. The department is also developing information, education, and communication materials which will come in handy to educate the masses. These materials will be printed in English, Somali, and Swahili. The county government of Garissa issues the following directives, which will be followed with immediate effect. The sale and the transportation of khat, Miraa, is banned with immediate effect. All clubs and bars are closed with immediate effect. All supermarkets, malls, business premises, hotels, and banks must provide hand washing and hand sanitizers at all times in their premises. All public and private hospitals and government offices to ensure a provision of hand washing facilities and hand sanitizers. All public service vehicles to provide hand sanitizers in all vehicles and at the offices for passengers and for other members of the public seeking their services. This must be visible and accessible at all times. All business premises shall maintain high standards of hygiene, failure to which the relevant public health laws will be enforced. Hawking and open-air market vending of foods must cease immediately. All travelers departing and arriving at Garissa either by air or road will be subjected to health screening. Members of the public are requested to adhere to stay-at-home policy except for essential needs. Parents are requested to ensure that their children stay at home and do not congregate at playgrounds. Except for essential services, all employees are encouraged to work from home. We further remind all to practice cashless transactions, avoid crowding, and most importantly, practice high level of hygiene at all times. Members of the public are advised to postpone social events like weddings. Members of the public are called upon to ensure strict compliance with all public health laws and directives issued by the government at all times. We call upon the members of the public to cooperate with the Department of Health and security agencies as the directives are implemented. We are in consultation with other stakeholders, including religious leaders and clerics, and shall keep you informed of developments regularly. I take this opportunity to thank the religious leaders for taking the front line in the implementation of the directives issued by His Excellency the President. We assure them that we shall need their advice as we call upon them to help us in reaching out to the masses, particularly the practice of hygiene and the children stay-at-home messages. Before I conclude, we would like to add the issue of the mosques is an ongoing consultation, and we have just been informed that Jamia Mosque has abolished congregations in the mosque and advised people to pray at home. We are going to seek the advice of our religious leaders on what to do locally, and we will communicate that in due course. One very active source of the spread in this county is the international staff who are working in the refugee camps, because they come from all over the world. They travel a lot. They are the only people who are likely to have contact with others outside this county. We would like to advise the ones who are in the camps now to stay, and the ones who are away to stay for the next 30 days wherever they are. In that way, we will keep ourselves safe, the refugee population safe, and this county safe. I take this opportunity to thank the religious leaders for having, in conclusion, the county government of Garissa will undertake whatever is humanly possible to provide best care as per the standard operating procedures in the event of coronavirus outbreak. We are working on the assumption of a worst case scenario. Thank you very much. waad ka wareysiin cudurkan corona la dhaho adduunka oo dhan buu qabsaday, meel walba asagaa laga sheekeynaya, sheeko kaleba adduunka ma jirto. annakan adduunka baan ka mid nahnay, wax khaas inagu ma jiro, laakiin sida dad kale ay uga baqayaan waan uga baqaynaa. annakan waxaan ku jirnaa countiyaasha la yidhi cudurkan inuu si degdeg uu kusoo gaara laga yaabaa. waxyaalo badan oo dowladda nationalka ay soo saartay oo dhaceen baa jiraan. kulliyii waa la xiray, culummada anaka la tashanayna madrasooyinka dugsiyaasha waa la xiray. carruurtana waxaan leenahay hadda hadday cidda joogaan meelaha lagu ciyaaray isku imaan guryahooda ha joogaano. waxaa kale oo maanta aan ayadana go'aan gaarnay in qaadka la joojiyo, soo qaadista meelka laga keeno iyo gadista meesha lagu gadabo inta 30 beri ah. baarka iyo meelahaas khamrooyinka lagu cabo ama lagu ciyaaro ayakana waa la xiray, way ku jiraan meelaha kalabyaha imbirta lagu ciyaaro. supermarketska iyo mallska iyo dukaamaha waxaan kula talinay waxyaalaha gacmaha lagu dhaqdo inay Soomaaliga kuma garanayo waxaan sanitizers la dhaho, kolba Haashim baa idiin sheegi doonaa ayakana inay dadweynaha usoo dhigaan oo la isticmaalo. waxaan soo saarnay nambara loo diro haddii aad aragto qof cudurkan waxa lagu garto way hergebku u yar dhow yahay, qandho badan buu qabaa, qufac isagana haddii aad qof dareento ama safar ka imaada meel kale ka imaaday, nambaraan soo saarnay oo meeshan aan dhahnay ha la isticmaalo oo ha loo diro qofka asaga sifa meesha lagu karantayn lahaa loo geeyo. nambarahaasna waxaa weeyo eber 1 1 kow laba eber toddoba laba eber toddoba waa nambarka ugu horo kan labaad waxaa weeye eber kow kow eber eber afar eber sideed soddon iyo lix iyo eber kow kow eber eber afar eber toddoba eber sideed taana haashim baa idiin sheegi doonaa iyadana waxay midda kale meel loogu talagalaa jira dadkan intuu in lagu karantiyeeyo oo ayadana diyaar ah dadkana meeshaasa la geynayaa dadkana wax lagu baarana waa laayaa marka waxaan rabnaa waxyaalahan la soo saaray waa wax uun muddo yar oo markay u badan tahay 30 beri socon doonto dadka inay ka qayb qaataan ayaka nadaafadda ay aad ugu dadaalaan dowladdana waxaa idiin sheegay inay diyaar u tahay inay si walba oo lagaga hortegi lahaa cudurkan adduunka oo dhan saabsaday inaan ku talagalno annagana aan ka qayb qaadano dadweynahana waxaan rabaa inay nala shaqeeyaan waxaan aad ugu mahad celinayaa culummada oo qayb weyn ka qaadatay dadaalka hadda aan soo marnay iyo dadaalka hadda la hayabo inta soo socotana waan la shaqaynaynaa markaa soo dhawaada asalaamu calaykum.